loading the machine for our customer, our technician use the foley to loading the machine one by one according to the drawing. In the process of the loading, we use the regular standard. We use the wooden wood for export in order to prevent the rush of the machine. And we also, our machine are with the anti-rush oil and the water absorption piece or moisture-proof ponder. Now we are loading the machine for our customer. This is our 40 high-Q containers. Okay, the length is 12 meters, the width is 2.32 meters, and the height is 2.68 meters. Before we loading the machine, we will make such of the loading drawing like this one according to the machine size. Okay, and then our technician will loading the machine according to this drawing one by one. Dear customer, after you receive the loading drawing like this one, you may find there also has some little empty place. At this moment, we will advise you to see if you need other slider, zipper slider, or other goods so that you can make full use of the container.